Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendz TVA, your ultimate destination for the hottest car reviews, where we break down the latest rides with style, substance, and a touch of speed. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic nameplates in the automotive world, but with a fresh twist for 2026. Yep, it's the all-new 2026 Mini Cooper, and trust me, this little hatchback packs way more than just retro charm. Exterior: at first glance, the 2026 Mini Cooper doesn't scream revolution, but evolution is the name of the game here. BMW-owned Mini has always walked the tightrope between heritage and modernity, and the latest Cooper is a shining example. With a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette, tighter body gaps, and reworked lighting elements, this thing is cleaner and bolder than ever. Up front, it retains that unmistakable Mini face. Those big round LED headlights still look like they belong on a friendly little bulldog, but look closer and you'll notice a more minimalistic, tech-forward vibe. The grille is now more flush and digital in appearance, especially on the EV variants, while the air intakes are sculpted with more finesse. The front bumper integrates everything seamlessly, giving off a vibe that says, "I'm compact, but I mean business." Slide over to the side and the 2026 Mini Cooper continues to evolve with subtle but powerful changes. The character lines are more defined yet restrained, and depending on the trim, you get fresh new wheel designs ranging from minimalist 17-inch styles to aggressive 18-inch aero-optimized alloys. The roof remains contrasting in color, a Mini signature with customization options galore. Door handles now sit flush, improving aerodynamics and visual sleekness. And here's a cool detail: the side mirrors have been redesigned to cut wind noise and reduce drag, making them both stylish and functional. The proportions are pure Mini: a short overhangs, low stance, and a wheel at each corner setup that screams agility. Moving around to the back, the 2026 Mini Cooper gets a bold new twist. Gone are the Union Jack taillights, say yep. They've been replaced by triangular LED elements that flicker and dance with animated sequences. It's futuristic but still undeniably Mini. The tailgate is cleaner, with fewer lines and a more sculpted appearance. Even the badging has been simplified to a sleek Cooper emblem that blends beautifully with the rear hatch. The diffuser-style bumper design gives it a sporty edge, especially on the S and S trims. And if you go for the all-electric Cooper, say, you'll get unique badging and a more closed-off rear underbody to aid airflow and boost efficiency. Interior: open the doors and step inside. This is where Mini really flexes its modern muscle. The 2026 interior is unlike anything we've seen from the brand. Say goodbye to the cluttered layout of previous generations. In its place is a minimalist, almost Scandinavian design philosophy. Front and center, a massive 9.4-inch circular OLED display, the world's first of its kind, acting as both your infotainment hub and digital gauge cluster. It's razor-sharp, brilliantly colorful, and fully responsive. From navigation to media to climate control, it's all managed through this one central display. There's even a new AI assistant called Spike, your cheerful digital co-pilot that responds to voice commands and adds personality to every drive. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, stretching wide with soft-touch recycled materials and textile finishes. Beneath the central screen are a few physical toggles, a smart nod to Mini's heritage, letting you control drive modes, start, stop, and volume. The steering wheel is now two-spoke and slightly squared off at the bottom, with haptic buttons that feel high-tech but intuitive. Ambient lighting pulses subtly in tune with drive modes or notifications, giving the cabin a sense of rhythm and life. Seating comfort has also been upgraded. The front seats are supportive, with extended bolsters and multiple upholstery options ranging from vegan leather to vibrant cloth trims. Space up front is generous for a compact car, thanks to clever packaging and the new platform. In the rear, things remain tight. This is still a Mini, after all, but headroom and legroom have seen slight improvements. The rear seats can fold flat, opening up cargo space that's surprisingly usable for weekend getaways or city errands. It's practical without losing its playful edge. Performance: now let's talk about what makes the 2026 Mini Cooper move. Depending on your preference, you've got two distinct options: internal combustion or all-electric. For those who love the rumble of a turbocharged engine, the gas-powered Mini Cooper S comes with the revised 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, delivering around 201 horsepower and 221 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, it's quick, sharp, and responsive. 0 to 60 miles per hour, just under 6.5 seconds. The throttle is lively, the exhaust burbles just enough, and the chassis is still that classic go-kart experience many fans rave about. But the real star of the show is the electric Mini Cooper SE. Built on a dedicated dev platform, it offers a front-mounted electric motor producing up to 215 horsepower and 243 pounds-feet of instant torque. With the 54.2 kWh battery pack, the SE delivers an estimated range of 240 miles on a full charge, a solid improvement over the outgoing model. And thanks to 95 kilowatts DC fast charging, you can juice up from 10 to 80% in just about 30 minutes. Acceleration is brisk, clocking in at 6.7 seconds to 60 miles per hour, and the driving dynamics are simply delightful. The battery is mounted low in the chassis, giving it an ultra-low center of gravity and corner carving capability that puts a smile on your face. The ride quality has also improved significantly. Adaptive dampers on higher trim smooth out rough pavement while maintaining that trademark mini responsiveness. Steering is precise, if a bit artificially weighted in sport mode, but still communicative enough for twisty back roads. And don't worry, even with the new tech and insulation, you still get that raw, connected feeling that makes every drive feel like an event. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mini Cooper keeps things fairly competitive for a premium compact. The base gas-powered Cooper starts around $28,000, while the Cooper S-Trim jumps to approximately $33,000 with added performance and features. The electric Cooper E begins at roughly $32,500, and the higher range SE variant starts at $36,000, fully loaded with all the bells and whistles, including advanced driver assistance systems, panoramic sunroof, upgraded Harman Kardon audio, and exclusive design packages. You're looking at closer to $43,000. That may seem steep for a small car, but remember, you're getting a premium European hatch with cutting-edge tech, bold styling, and a name that's always in fashion. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Mini Cooper? It's a compelling blend of old-school charm and next-gen innovation. Mini has managed to keep the fun, youthful spirit of the original while injecting serious tech, sustainability, and performance upgrades. Whether you're a purist who loves turbocharged petrol engines or a forward thinker looking to go electric, there's a Mini Cooper here for you. It's not just about being small anymore, it's about being smart, stylish, and seriously fun to drive. Alright, that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Mini Cooper. If you enjoyed this review and want more detailed breakdowns of the latest cars, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a beat. We've got tons more automotive content coming your way, from performance beasts to eco-friendly daily drivers. Drop a comment below, would you pick the gas-powered Mini or go all in on electric? Thanks for riding with us, and as always, stay fast, stay curious, and we'll see you on the next drive.